Hey everyone, welcome to the heart of Switzerland. Today I'm going to share the price of essential items for a healthy eating lifestyle in Switzerland. We'll be checking out Migros, a well-known local grocery store here. So let's dive into the cost of these items and see what it takes to eat healthy in Switzerland. The first thing you'll notice is the abundance of fresh and local produce. From veggies to fruits and grains, they've got it all here. Despite the high quality products, grocery shopping in Switzerland doesn't have to be super expensive. Let's talk about the prices. If you are curious about the price of some items haven't been covered in this video, you can check out the Migros grocery website down in the description. Thanks for watching.